The genesis of the Great Green Wall project takes us back to the year 2007. It was an African-led initiative, a bold move designed to grow an 8,000-kilometer natural wonder of the world across the entire width of Africa. Its roots were planted in the Sahel region, at the southern edge of the Sahara Desert, a place where the harsh effects of climate change were most evident. The years that followed saw the project gradually taking shape. By 2010, the Great Green Wall started to be more than just a green line on the map. It was a response to urgent global challenges: climate change, food insecurity, poverty, and migration. Fast forward to 2020. The United Nations announces a decade on ecosystem restoration, supporting global efforts to prevent, halt, and reverse degradation of ecosystems. The Great Green Wall, now considered a flagship restoration initiative, is recognized for its potential to restore degraded landscapes and prevent further nature loss. Now, in 2023, the Great Green Wall continues to grow, branching out across continents. The vision of the Great Green Wall has inspired similar initiatives worldwide. One such initiative is the Aravalli Green Wall in India, standing against the expansion of the Thar Desert. So, what have we learned today? The Great Green Wall is a living symbol of hope in the face of climate change and desertification. It's a testament to what can be achieved when we harness the power of nature and human ingenuity. From its inception in 2007 to the global recognition it has received today, the Great Green Wall stands as a beacon of sustainable development and environmental resilience. So, how does the Great Green Wall benefit India, you might wonder? Well, the Great Green Wall serves as a powerful model, inspiring similar initiatives worldwide, including India's very own Aravalli Green Wall. The Great Green Wall and the Aravalli Green Wall are more than just walls. They're movements. Their growth signifies the strength of global and local collaboration in the fight against climate change. For India particularly, these walls will serve as a bulwark against sand and dust storms, shielding national capital region of Delhi from these environmental menaces and reducing pollution. They are a potent reminder that when we respect and work with nature rather than against it, extraordinary things can happen. This green barrier is instrumental in preventing the expansion of the Thar Desert, thereby protecting agricultural lands and human settlements. Moreover, by absorbing significant amounts of CO2 emissions, the Aravalli Green Wall contributes to India's climate change mitigation efforts, aligning with the nation's commitment to the Paris Agreement. In addition, it promotes biodiversity, offering a nurturing habitat for various species, some of which are endangered. This not only preserves the ecological balance, but also enhances the aesthetic value of the region. But that's not all. The Aravalli Green Wall, like its African inspiration, is a source of livelihood for many. It creates green jobs, fostering economic growth while preserving the environment. In essence, the Great Green Wall and its Indian counterpart, the Aravalli Green Wall, are not just walls, but lifelines. They are a testament to the symbiotic relationship between humans and nature, and a reminder of what we can achieve when we work in harmony with our surroundings. We appreciate your company on this exploration of the Great Green Wall's evolution. Here's a toast to a future that's more verdant and robust. We believe our efforts have enlightened your understanding on the topic. Moreover, if you are looking for market research services including consumer survey, real-time quantitative and qualitative data collection and analysis, market intelligence including market size, forecast data, future trends, market segmentation analysis, regional market share, major companies' market share and competitive analysis, voice of consumer survey research and data analysis, then feel free to get in touch with us at www.marketresearchuniverse.com. Furthermore, we are happy to offer you unlimited reports downloading and data access at our platform from anywhere on any device starting now. Stay informed, make better decisions. Getting curious but undecided? No need to worry. Dive into a 7-day free trial extravaganza, immersing yourself in a world of mega trending market research reports and consumer survey reports for data-driven decision-making, startup business plan, reports with new startup business idea generation support, and vibrant community facilities. Why wait? It is time to discover, decode, drive. your market research universe for data-driven success. Get started with a 7-day free trial today. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow our social handles at Market Research Universe for regular industry updates.